I'm Sienny.
And I'm Kalisa.
And you're watching TJTV. So today's challenge, we are DIYing clothes. It is something we've never done before. So it might go completely wrong. And this was a video idea that I saw on Nikki and Gabby's channel. So we went thrift shopping and found one item for the other person.
So we are going to be exchanging that, and then we have to, I guess,
DIY it.
Yeah.
Make it so that it'd be something we wear, we can wear. The rules are, you can do anything to it.
Okay.
Try and make it something that, you know, you would actually wear. It looks good, as in more the appearance. So if you're like stapling it, sticky taping it, it's okay as long as I guess it looks good on camera photos. I don't know, just because we don't really can't, so we have no idea what we're doing. I haven't really been to thrift stores before, especially one that was bigger, and it was so cool. It was so cheap, and we actually found some really cool things, and I can insert a photo of what we bought, which was like this pumpkin soup thing, and it was so cool and completely not what we were there for, but we had to splurge on that because it was awesome. It wasn't even that expensive. But yeah, okay, let's get back to the video.
Okay, so now it's gift exchanging time.
We have no idea what the other got for us.
No.
Well, we got Christmas in July here. And this is yours. Okay. Thank you. This is mine. Thank you. Okay, who's opening first?
Okay, I really want to open it.
Okay,
I want to see what you got for me. Oh, I actually saw this.
Oh, really?
No, I mean, I didn't see you buying it, but I was
so
like,
many things. Though.
I looked at it and I was like, this is nice. Oh wait, I'm not sure if it was this one that I. Oh. Oh wait, no, I thought you guys. Wait, they're pants. Oh, okay, sorry. I got pants. I thought it was a skirt.
Well, no, you gotta.
Okay. Do I say my ideas now or no? No, I won't say anything.
Don't give it away yet.
Okay, I'm just like trying to think. Because I think when we were buying for each other, we had ideas in our head of what we could do with it.
Yeah, just so that it wasn't, I guess, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't too easy or like something that looked really nice already. There was no point, you don't have to, you know, change it. Yeah. But also I didn't want something that was like too hard. I don't know. I was worried the whole time because Alyssa was saying she was being nice and I was like, is this too mean?
But this is nice.
It is nice, but it's like, it doesn't really fit you.
That's fine. I mean, that's the point.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah, like it doesn't have to be your pants in the end.
No, you can be whatever you want.
Okay.
That's all. Wait, I want to see mine.
Okay.
Oh, I like the pattern.
Yeah.
Oh, is this a dress?
It's a dress.
I feel like I could wear this as it is, to be honest.
Yes.
Is that cheating?
It is.
Nice.
You have to change it.
Maxi dress. Okay, I feel like it's the hardest when it has a really like defined shape to think of something else it can be, but I will change it. Okay. Change it up.
Okay, so now that I have kicked Tassie out of her own room, I can share with you what my ideas for these pants are. So what I'm thinking, I've seen so many videos of people using pants to make like a dress. I actually don't know how to do it, so I'll have to watch the videos, but I think it's sort of like you can't see, but okay, if you can see. So if I can maybe fit into one pant leg, it's a bit tight, but if I could do that, and then with the other pant leg, I mean, this could be a skirt, or maybe I could somehow wrap around and then make a dress. But it's tight, it doesn't go up anymore, so actually I might have to reconsider what I was thinking. Because if I could make a dress out of like these pants, that would be really cool because I do like the pattern of it.
Am I gonna do? I just think it's hard because it's already in a really nice like shape. So I have options. The first thing I was thinking is just like cutting it and making it to kind of a crop top and then a skirt and cutting it as well so it's a bit shorter. But I don't know if that's like too the same, like all I can do is just splitting it in half. Something else I thought would look really cute, but I don't know how I'm going to accomplish, even just using like tape or anything, is turning this into a play suit. I think that could look really good. So I think the top would be the same. I just leave it, and if it's too big for me I can just use pegs at the back. But then I need to work out like short length. So I cut it and then I don't know, do I just cut like that and then sew it together? I don't really know how to do it, but I think that's what I am gonna attempt to do. Oh gosh, I've never just cut clothes before. I feel like so bad but I'm not gonna, this is the fun of this kind of video, and hopefully it does turn out somewhat good. Also, I'm really bad at cutting things straight, so. I mean, I can turn this into a scarf. That's pretty cool actually. Oh, that's a good option. I was gonna make a scrunchie, but they're kind of like infinity scarf looks cool too for like autumn or summer, not to go with the play suit.
I've done a little bit of research and I've found how to turn these pants into a dress. So the first video that I saw on YouTube was very simple. There was no like sewing required or anything like that, which is good because I'm not really good at sewing. And so I put the one pant leg up, and then it was basically just with the other pant leg that you're not wearing at the front, you just put your head through it, and then apparently that turns it into a dress. So I'm just gonna try that.
Hey guys, it's me. I'm editing the video and I just had to do a quick little pause there because that gave me so much anxiety and I just felt so claustrophobic. I can't believe Talissa actually put her head in the leg of the pants. That would be so scary. Like, what if it didn't fit? But yeah, keep watching till the reveal to see if that was worth it. For the play suit, for making the shorts, all I did was just cut like a slit because I know that shorts have like patterns and you cut them differently, but the thing is I don't even know if these shorts will fit me. I don't have that much material, so I'm just going to cut in the middle and decided to sew it. And I have just finished sewing. I haven't made the knot yet, but this is the shorts. It's so uneven, but I will go try it on, and I'm so scared it's just going to rip open as soon as I put it on. But if it doesn't, you will see me when I reveal to Talissa when I'm wearing it.
The time has come. We're going to take turns showing each other what we've done with the clothes that we got. Yeah, I'm so excited to see what Tassie has done to the dress I bought her. So without further ado, let's welcome Tassie to the stage!
So, this is what I'm wearing.
I love what you've done! Wow, it's very like beachy, and I like that you even got the sunglasses to go with it.
Yeah, I'll show you guys up closer. I think it's very dark, but you can see what my look is. The shorts, I was a bit worried that I hadn't like sewn enough, but I think I did too much. So they're a bit uncomfortable, but otherwise they actually like pretty loose. So I think that's a plus. And I can't really turn around too much because I just pegged it for, you know, the aesthetics. But yeah, that is how it turned out. I am actually pretty happy with like what I did.
I thought you were going to go with like a matching top and skirt.
I thought about that, but I was like, that's not enough. That's not good enough.
Yeah, how did you sew it together?
Just using, so like it's not gonna last very long.
Okay, like did you cut it or not?
Yeah, I cut it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. I like what you did.
Thank you.
Looks nice.
I also have, because the edges are not seamed, I also have a paper clip there, if you can see. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what you did now. That's alright, you're gonna come out?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna keep my eyes closed.
Ta-da! It looks so fancy.
The dress. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Thank you.
I am so impressed. I did not expect that at all.
Hey, what were you expecting? What were your ideas for
My idea
things?
was maybe turning it into a skirt.
Okay,
Because it was
yeah.
very like deep, the pants, and then just tightening it. But I love this so much better.
Yeah.
This is so fancy.
It's very tight. Okay, and there you go. This is a dress. So this is the front of the dress and the back. I have been watching a few other YouTube videos which basically require you to cut the pants into pieces and then sew it back together into a dress. I might try that. I don't know if we have like thread to even do it, so I should check first. But in case I completely ruin it, at least you've seen this is my backup option. This sort of weird fitting dress. It doesn't really fit from the back. As you can see, because these pants have pockets and then the pocket is just randomly sticking out of the back, so it doesn't really fit properly, and it is a bit short as well.
I think this looks so good.
Yeah, no sewing required.
Wow.
I did see one that was really cool, which involved like cutting it and then sewing pretty much all the seams again and like adding a drawstring.
Yeah.
But
No,
that would take days.
That's too much effort.
No, it would take days.
Oh my gosh, oh wow, I am so impressed. But yeah, make sure that you guys comment down below which one was your favorite. So mine, the play suit, or Talissa's dress. I don't know, I think I really like yours. Yours was just like, I could not expected it. Yeah, it looks so good. But yeah, don't forget to comment down below. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. We post new videos and new challenges every single week, so don't forget to subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye! So if you're watching till the end, you actually find out what I forgot to mention, and that is I did a second piece from the straps, and it's a scarf, and it is so, I will actually use the scarf. So
Wow, that looks really cool.
maybe if you watch to the end, comment down scarf so we know.
Yeah.
But okay, bye for real.